On the left-hand side, you'll see another new feature, Google Drive Activity. This is a record of changes made to files and folders in your Google Drive, which could include a file being moved, removed, renaming of a file, if somebody has shared something with you, if perhaps someone's tagged you to edit or comment on a file. So we can see right here, I have a tutorial document that somebody replied to a comment. I can go right here and click on Open Comment, and that will actually open the file right up for me. And I can see over here to the right-hand side that someone tagged me and is asking me for some feedback. So that's a great feature to come in and check on if you are collaborating with someone on a document, so you're not having to always go back into the document to see if there's something new for you. If you come back to your activity, you'll see now that I can click off of here. I can click refresh anytime, and now I can see I have a new feature that somebody has shared a document with me. So I go ahead and open that up as well, and again, it'll open the document right in that window. So Google Drive Activity is a feature that you may want to check out if you do a lot of collaboration with other people on your Google Drive.